Welcome to Shoulder Measurement Training by Deltoid Breadth. Presented by Elite Offshore Private Limited. Shoulder Measurement Training. Introduction. The standardized technique for measuring the widest point of the human shoulder, a critical safety metric mandated by the Civil Aviation Authority's CAP 1145 directive in aviation environments, and to ensure safe confined space entry. Key points. Specifically, we are training you in deltoid breadth, a measurement of the maximum width across the deltoid muscles of the shoulders. This is a high-precision task. Just as engineering has strict tolerances for error, our goal is to train you to be precise within 4 hours so you can impart this training to others. Today, you will learn the theory, the anatomy, and the strict protocol required to record valid data. What is deltoid shoulder measurement? The deltoid breadth is the horizontal distance across the body at the widest point of the shoulders, measured from the outermost surface of the left deltoid muscle to the outermost surface of the right deltoid muscle. Under CAP 1145, this measurement is used to assess whether an individual can fit in helicopter seat, safely enter and egress confined spaces found in aircraft structures, maintenance bays, and engineering access points. CAP 1145 Directive. Published by the UK Civil Aviation Authority in February 2014, CAP 1145 is a landmark safety review of offshore public transport helicopter operations launched in response to several fatal North Sea accidents. The directive overhauled survival standards by mandating the use of Category A emergency breathing systems, EBS, enforcing stricter passenger seating requirements relative to emergency exits, and imposing flight restrictions during severe sea states to prevent capsizing. By implementing these rigorous technical and training standards, codified through various safety directives, CAP 1145 fundamentally shifted the focus of offshore aviation toward maximizing passenger survivability during water ditching and improving overall operational safety in the UK's energy sector. Why is it necessary? CAP 1145 Directive. Extra broad, XBR. Reliable measurement. Shoulder anatomy. Acromion. The acromion is a bony process on the scapula, shoulder blade, that forms the highest point of the shoulder, acting as a protective arch over the shoulder joint and rotator cuff. It extends from the scapular spine, articulates with the clavicle, collarbone, at the acromioclavicular AC, joint, and serves as an attachment site for the deltoid and trapezius muscles. Deltoid. The deltoid is a large, triangular muscle covering the shoulder joint, named for its resemblance to the Greek letter delta. It is responsible for lifting, rotating, and stabilizing the arm, abduction, flexion, extension. Common usage examples include lifting objects, reaching, and throwing. Types of shoulder measurement. Biacromial. Biacromial measurement is the distance between the bony acromion processes at the top of the shoulders, reflecting the structural, bony framework without including muscle or fat tissue. Bideltoid. Bideltoid measurement is the maximum horizontal width of the shoulders, measured across the widest part of the deltoid muscles, often used for industrial safety, XBR helicopter seat. Device used is Sika 207. Large sliding caliper. Size readings using caliper. Marking band is used to mark the readings. How shoulder measurement is done. Bideltoid shoulder breadth is measured using caliper. It is measured at the outermost bulge of the shoulders. Usually it is measured from behind the candidate. Top view looks like this. Do not measure it at lower or upper part but only at the bulge. Make sure caliper is not tilted. Do not measure if the elbows are pointed at outward direction. Candidate should stand straight and elbows tucked in. Next measurement is taken while candidate is sitting straight on a stool. Taking measurements. Measurements are usually taken by single person of the candidate. But in some cases measurements are taken by two different persons. Measurement readings. First reading is 50 centimeters, second reading is 50.2 centimeters, average percentage difference is 0.39%, which is less than 1%. But another case. First reading is 50 centimeters, second reading is 50.6 centimeters, average percentage difference is 1.19%, which is more than 1%. In such cases third reading is required. Note, it should always be less than 1%. Size categories are of three types: regular, XBR, and SXBR. Size difference. Acceptance criteria and limits are: regular, shoulder width less than 55 centimeters or 22 inches is called regular size. Standard seats are allotted to regular category passengers. XBR or extra broad width is more than 56 centimeters to 60 centimeters, or around 24 inches. There are XBR seats available on some helicopters. If not, then adjustment seats means an empty seat next to a XBR passenger is allotted. SXBR, super extra broad width is more than 60 centimeters or 24 inches. There are only few helicopters have specialized SXBR seats available. Usually SXBR are not allowed to board, ensuring accurate and compliant measurements for offshore personnel. Armband classifications. Armbands are provided to all passengers while boarding, according to their shoulder measurements. Green armband. This is the armband which will be used if you are a new starter at offshore industry and a regular size passenger. Checkered armband. This is the armband which will be used if you are classified as XBR size passenger. Marking on headrest. Look out for a checkered headrest. This is an allocated seat for someone classed as XBR. Seats allotted. Regular, shoulder width is 55.9 centimeters 22 inches or less. Regular passengers have no special seating restrictions and can sit in any seat. XBR, extra broad shoulder width is greater than 55.9 centimeters 22 inches. XBR passengers must be seated in specific, designated seats adjacent to Type 4 or Type 3 emergency exits. XBR exit windows are slightly bigger than regular size windows. Adjustment seats are empty seats next to XBR seat. SXBR, super extra broad shoulder width is greater than 60 centimeters 24 inches. SXBR passengers must be seated in specific, designated seats adjacent to Type 4 emergency exits. SXBR exit windows are special big size windows. SXBR are usually not allowed to board on all regular helicopters. Do's. Take measurements over bare skin. The measurement must be taken across the upper back from the end of one shoulder to the other, making direct skin contact with the deltoid muscles, usually requiring a sleeveless top. Use calibrated tools. Use specifically designed, approved calipers, usually from the Opito shoulder breadth measurement standard, to take up to 3 separate, precise readings, ensuring accuracy. Adopt the correct stance. Stand erect with feet together and arms relaxed, allowing the shoulders to hang in a natural position. Register your XBR status. If measured at 55.9 centimeters or wider, ensure you are registered as XBR in the system, which guarantees you a window seat suitable for your width. Remeasure periodically. Revalidation is generally required every 4 years, though it is recommended to coincide with the expiry of your Beausiet certificate. Don'ts. Wear heavy clothing. Measurements should not be taken over bulky clothing, as this can create an inaccurate, larger reading. Hunch or tense up. Keep shoulders relaxed, not lifted or tensed, to ensure the measurement accurately reflects your size in a calm state. Assume the measurement is permanent. If your weight changes significantly, or if your previous measurement was near the threshold, seek a remeasurement to ensure correct seating safety. Take the measurement on the day of travel. Ensure the measurement is taken well in advance, not on the day of the flight, to allow for correct seating logistical planning. Rely on outdated certifications. Measurements taken under previous, non-OPITO standards may need to be updated. Key notes. The median of 3, measure twice. If the results are within 1%, take the average, mean. If they differ by more than 1%, measure a third time and take the median, the middle value, to eliminate errors. Skin, not clothing, always measure against the skin. For females, this requires a sleeveless top or equivalent garment. Palpation, you must touch the skin, palpation, to find the widest part of the deltoid. Always ask for permission before touching a participant. No compression, touch the skin surface with the caliper, but do not compress the tissue. Conclusion. Shoulder measurement training ensures accurate, standardized deltoid breadth measurement for maritime and aviation personnel, meeting CAP 1145 safety requirements for emergency egress.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.